Hello dear students, I am Dr. Pratap Naikwade. Welcome to your favorite channel, PVN Science Study.
Hello dear friends, in today's video we will study plants suitable for water garden. Here you can see some of beautiful photographs of water garden. Most of the gardens have water garden in their setting. It is a very beautiful part of the garden. A large area is not required for the water garden. But the plants which are grown in water garden required sufficient sunlight, shallow water and suitable compost or nutrients. Now we will see some of the plants suitable for the water garden, and here very first is Nymphea lotus. It is belonging to family Nymphaceae. It is a very common plant popularly known as water lily, lotus or Kamal in Marathi. As you can see here, it is a floating aquatic plant consisting of stout rhizome, large horizontally floating leaves with long petioles and extra axillary white or rose colored flowers. Dear friends, here you can see the leaves of the plant and the flowers. Next plant is Vallisneria spiralis. It belongs to family Hydrocaritaceae. Vallisneria is commonly known as tape grass. As you can see here, Vallisneria is submerged, tufted, stoloniferous, stemless herbaceous aquatic plant. It acts as oxygenator. These are the leaves of the plant. Leaves are long, linear, flat, tape-like and radical. The plant is dioecious. Male spats and female spats are produced at the water surface level, as you can see here. Next is Hydrilla verictillata, and here you can see very beautiful photographs of Hydrilla plant. It is belonging to family Hydrocaritaceae. As you can see here, it is a submerged leafy freshwater shrub forming large masses. This is the stem of Hydrilla plant. The plant shows slender stem having nodes, internodes and fibrous roots at each node. These are the leaves of the plant. Leaves are small, sessile and whorled with linear lamina and acute apex like this. Here you can see flower of Hydrilla plant. Hydrilla is dioecious with minute male and female flowers. Next plant is Trappa natans. It is belonging to family Onagraceae. It is commonly known as water caltrop or Singhada in Marathi. Here you can see the morphological features of Trappa natans, and these are the actual photographs of the plant. Trappa is an annual aquatic plant with a submerged stem that anchors into the mud and extends upward to the surface of the water like this. These are the roots of the plant. The roots are fine, long and profuse. Here you can see the leaves of the plant. The plant bears a rosette of floating fan-shaped leaves with slightly inflated petioles. So in this photograph you can see the petioles. The plant produces small 4-petaled white flowers like this. It also produces very large nutritious fruit nuts with 4 sharp spines. So these are the fruits of Trappa natans which are edible. The next plant suitable for water garden is Eichhornia crassipus. This is belonging to family Pontederaceae. It is commonly known as water hyacinth. It is a common aquatic weed. In this sketch you can see different parts of the plant. This is the actual photograph of the plant in the water. This is the uprooted plant, and here you can see the inflorescence as well as the leaves of the plant. Eichhornia is a perennial aquatic floating herb with a tough top roots like this. The leaves are ovate glabrous with spongy swollen petioles which act as float. Dear friends, here you can see swollen petioles of the leaves. The plant bears spikes producing beautiful blue funnel-shaped flowers with yellow centers like this. Dear friends, with this we have completed plants suitable for water garden. Thank you.